Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Honda CR-V. It's the top of the range and it's an 0404. As you can see, it's got headlight once white. It's in the best colour. I think it's super. It's got, you can see the sunroof in it. So I'm going to take you on the outside first. Take you down the line of the car. This has got 12 months MOT. Can you see the bars at the bottom? It's in super condition for the year. It's done 80,000 miles. You see there's a bit of lacquer come off there, but I'm sure we can do something. It's got the tow bar, as you can see there. As I can say, it's done got 12 months MOT, 80,000 miles, full service history. And it's the top of the range. Fully serviced, 12 months MOT, just been serviced as well. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll take you into the inside of the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again, so I'm back. I'm going to show you the inside of the car now. So we'll take the engine bay first. Now don't forget this is a HD video, so you can stop start and you can really look intensely. As you can see here, the engine is as absolute sweet as a nut. It's just ticking over. So I'll take you in the inside of the car now. So we'll do the passenger side first. As you can see, it's got full leather, satellite navigation, air conditioning, cool box, heated seats, sunroof, central armrest. It's got the lot. Okay, take you into the back of the car now. So rear passenger side door card. As you can see, it's got electric windows. Absolutely super condition. So back door, as you can see, nothing crazy there. The boot space, you've got some mats all the way around. Take you to the driver's side, pass rear door card. Just check out the leather. I think it's a lovely combination of colours. Driver's door card. That's for your roof. Have a look at the dials. 81, just over 81,000 miles. The seat condition is absolutely super. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, give me a call. My number is 07775 038270. Thanks for watching the video and I hope to hear from you.